Hello, good night. How are you feeling today? Campaigning for more notice, more compliments, more followers on social media. You want one free? And you know that's just spoiling you for no reason? Your man can do that for you. I do how to do that.
That's the answer you give me?
What do you mean? You want it free?
That's spoiling me.
You want it free? You don't even want to make a contribution?
I go on social media and say, this man, give me this gift. Go when you go to Grenada, go pick him up.
Yeah, but that don't do nothing to you. You would do that for me, but that ain't do nothing to you. I want to enhance your beauty here. Which one is the best one?
I don't have money, man. I want money.
Well, I want to. That's a gemstone bracelet.
How much for this one?
Something like that, I sell it for like 50 EC.
Give me a card now.
I will get a free sticker. I don't have cards right now. But I'm a YouTuber. I stream DIY tutorials, teaching people how to make that, you know.
You do?
Yeah, and I have a podcast too, Greener World Podcast on Spotify. So you could stick the sticker maybe on your phone or, you know. That's the thing. Greens era. You could just Google it, you could, you know.
Greens what?
Era. Yeah, and my Instagram is Greens Era Grenada. You could always message me if you want to get them customized. Yes, and I do them customized too. I could customize it.
The name or something?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Thank you. Enjoy your night and stay in Grenada as long as possible. Grenada is heaven, eh? So don't rush, eh?
I born here, you know.
Okay. Nice. Well, don't rush out of it, you know.
I'm here for a whole month, sir.
Wow, lucky you.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So enjoy the rally.
Yeah.
Take care. Blessings.
We want to beat them. We want to give it to them. So we're in a song, and tonight.
You don't think about that answer for real.
We want to sing a song for the radio.
You say she wants it free.
Hear this. All you have to join with me and hug. The song goes.
Heal up. Alright. Yes, sir. You know what I mean? She said she wanted free. I'll take her. What should I say? Should I? Y'all think I say the right thing? I tell her, I say, well, I will be spoiling you. And what? Yes, I'll be spoiling her. Yes, sir. I need accessories, yeah. I made Happy Father's Day with a craft, the outside. Give thanks. Happy Father's Day. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Respect. Alright, blessings. Yeah, so like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. Look at the state. Hold on, let me show you. Let me turn on this. Look at this.
Every movement needs someone who does the work when the crowds go. Every movement needs a builder. Someone who doesn't just talk about progress, but get on the ground.
That's crazy.
Make it happen.
See,
They all hit the South. And if you're from the South,
heal up, my brother, respect.
as Minister for Mobilization Implementation,
See, love you.
the General Secretary of our party, this man is the engine room of our party. He connects with the people because he is the people. He serves community because he loves community. Give it up! Give it up!
Hold on, I see something here.
It's where legends are born. Security.
a party to me. For real. So yeah guys, we are about to catch a bus now, so let's go. Serve up guys. Subscribe for more. You can see the vendors doing the thing. Yeah. Look at this big red cross, this big red hot. Y'all seen that? It's crazy. Oh my goodness. Hey, look, happy Father's Day. Look at vendors, more vendors outside here, guys. Look at this. More people, more vendors, all the way down to the beach. Wow. That's crazy. We're here by the roundabout now, as you can see. See, there you go. Good night. Okay. Sounds like Mr. Deacon is coming on stage. Guys, the boss coming on stage. And we're leaving right when the boss come on stage, unfortunately. So yeah, if you guys was there, you know, at the rally, big up your whole self. Here man say on social media, you don't care if the rain fall. You know, you don't care if the snow fall, you're going still. But yeah, it was really rainy today. And it's night time now and it's well cleared up nicely. You know what I mean? I get to come outside on the beach today. I'm so happy and grateful. You know what I mean? Hold up, we're losing focus. Yeah guys, so yeah. Tongue. Somebody say tongue? Let's go. I have this, I can get in front by you. Thanks. Alright. Oh yeah, gift sense. Yeah. Wow. See ya. Oh. You did it. We did it. Finally. We did it. Guys, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We did it. Catch a bus. Big and serious. So yeah. He was there again at the rally. Like this video, leave a comment, let me know that you was there. If you watch this video, let me know you've seen it. Leave some comments, like it up, and subscribe for more spicy vlogs like these, big and serious. Can't wait to do it again, you know what I mean? So yeah, my name is Will and I've been watching another Greens Era vlog. I mean, check out this the podcast over on Spotify, Greener World Podcast, and you know, subscribe to the channel because we do live channels here. We do live streams here as well. We do the Crafting Corner live on Fridays. You know what I mean? And we drop vlogs almost every day. So make sure subscribe, hit the bell. So, you know what I mean? So we're growing and expanding together, big and serious. Yeah, this was fun and I enjoy it. Control. y'all enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Thank you. Repping the grades. We out.
Yeah.
Thank you.